Hi everyone, welcome to week 3. I hope you got to learn a lot about curriculum, the definition, how it's developed and implemented, especially through your readings and the video, as well as you worked on your assignment and through the interview. You probably got to see how it's defined at your site and developed and implemented in your district. Just a reminder, synchronous meeting is this Wednesday. We'll start at 6:30 sharp. Please be mindful of the due dates of the different assignments. I've had several of you submit DBQs late. Remember, the initial response is due Thursday at midnight, and then the peer responses are due by Sunday at midnight. And if they're turned in after the due date, I actually don't grade them. I will read them though. There is no DBQ for week 3, and there's no weekly assignment for week 3. Speaking of DBQs, I would like to challenge you to be a little more detailed, a little more thorough, a little more thoughtful. Typically, that's about 2 to 4 paragraph responses where you share your personal experience as well as what research has to say about the topic. I attached one of your responses, as you can see. Good job, Amy. This response received a 10 because it had both of those components and the necessary citation. If this was used in an actual report, the reference should include the 2 other resources that was mentioned. Hattie and Dweck should have also been included, but for the DBQ purpose, all of the requirements were met, so I went ahead and gave you the full credit. So those of you who are wondering, what does it mean to include the scholarly reference? That's what I'm talking about, where you have to use the support the research to support the topic and then cite it at the end as well. So that means in-text citation as well as a reference on the bottom. At this point, you should be working on assignment 2, which isn't due until week 4. And that's where you need to develop a PD, a 1-hour-long PD, to help overcome a challenge in the CCSS implementation at your site. What you're going to be turning in is the PowerPoint of how you would run that PD or any other visuals that you would like to use in that presentation of the PD. I hope that answers most of your questions. Keep your questions coming, and I will see you this Wednesday. Have a good one.